Welcome back, second grade, and we are in packet 2. Hopefully you've received this from the district and you're ready to get started. This is the reading portion. Our first reading is titled The Inclined Plane. So make sure that you read this little section together with an adult, and as you can practice on some of those words that you don't know, tap out, use those phonics skills that we've worked on this year, and make sure that you read carefully. You'll notice as you scroll down, when you get down here to the picture, notice that the picture or diagram below has things labeled and then has some close reader habits here. It says underline the two sentences that tell you what an inclined plane is. So you'll go back up to the reading. You're going to find the two sentences that tell you what an inclined plane is. So make sure you do that before you go on with the rest of the work. Then it says, then circle the inclined plane on the diagram. So look at this diagram, and where is the inclined plane? Circle it, okay? This helps you to go back and make sure that you're understanding your reading. Okay? Then on your next section, as you go on to page 14 here, it says, how does the diagram of an inclined plane help you better understand the information in the article? Remember, what we're going to be working on during these weeks are using the text features to help you to understand your reading. So how does it do that? Number 1 says, read the article again. Yes, it is important to read it a second time to help your understanding. Then it says to fill in the chart to show how the text and diagram work together. So this part over here is going to say what the text tells you. You're going to put some facts down here. And what does the diagram tell you? Notice this box. It says, as I reread the text, I will look at the diagram to help me understand. We want you to connect up between the actual text and what's going on in the picture to help your understanding. Number 2 says, reread paragraph 3. What are the inclined planes used for? What other reasons can you think of for using an inclined plane? So maybe think about how that could be helpful around your house if you had an inclined plane. What could it be used for? Okay. Number 3 says, short response. Look again at the diagram. That means you're going to go back. Okay. I'd even recommend rereading again to make sure you understand. How does it help you understand how an inclined plane works? So how is that diagram helpful for you? You're going to write your answer in the space on page 302. So down below, it's going to give you some space to do that. It gives you a little hint. How does the diagram show what you read about in paragraph 2? So down underneath here, this is where you're going to give your short answer, okay? And make sure that when you write it, this is where we're also not just checking your reading skills, but we're checking your writing skills. Great place to go back and edit your work and make sure that you understand it, okay? Then that's where you will finish up today at the bottom of page 15. And so it says, don't forget to check your work. So make sure that you go back and do that. Okay, that is your reading lesson for today. So make sure you do it well. Remember, it's both the process and the final product. So don't try to hurry through things. Make sure you do it well. Keep your brain fresh and ready to go and do your very best work. All right, good job, guys. We'll see you next time.